think that when I think about life, I think of it as almost like a set of stairs, really. And every stair that you climb is a new challenge. As you overcome each challenge, then, it obviously requires a new version of yourself, but it almost gets a little bit easier. Your mental resilience builds up a little bit, and you can understand that maybe the hard things that you're doing now are for your benefit. I think that's one thing that some people struggle with is they start getting challenges and things start not going their way, and they kind of fail to realize, or I guess they kind of fail to have that perspective that, this is going to be for my good, and it's going to eventually pay off.
Yes. Speaking of that, like the muscle stretch, right? There are things that I've gone through. There's things you've gone through, and everybody has gone through that stretches that muscle just a little bit. And as you're going through it, you're like, holy crap, dude. This is freaking hard. Like, I don't know if I'm going to make it, blah, 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 and then once you get to the other side, it's like, oh, okay. And then you'll get stretched a little bit more, and you'll get stretched a little bit more.